Hi everyone! Did you know your liver is like your body's superhero, working 24/7 to detoxify and keep you healthy? But just like us, even superheroes get tired. Today, I'm going to help you understand how your liver lets you know it's overworked, how to support it with natural remedies using simple kitchen ingredients, and whether you need to adjust your diet afterward. We're going to decode those subtle cries for help that your liver might be sending, because a happy liver means a happy, energetic you. One of the first signs that your liver might be saying help is persistent fatigue. You know that feeling when you just can't shake off that sluggishness no matter how much sleep you get? Yeah, that. Your liver is your body's main filter, working tirelessly to remove toxins from your bloodstream. When it's overloaded, those toxins can build up and make you feel like you're dragging. It's like your body's battery is constantly drained and you're stuck on low power mode. Next time you sit down for a meal, pay close attention to how your body reacts, especially to those delicious but maybe not so healthy fatty foods. Experiencing bloating, nausea, or just a general feeling of discomfort after eating could be your liver waving a red flag. See, your liver plays a crucial role in digesting fats by producing bile. When it's overworked, bile production can slow down, leading to indigestion and those uncomfortable bloated feelings. It's your liver's way of saying, hey, let's take it easy on the greasy stuff for a while, okay? Our skin is the largest organ in our body, and often it acts as a mirror reflecting our inner health. If you're experiencing sudden breakouts, unexplained rashes, or even itchy skin, it could be a sign that your liver is struggling to keep up with its detoxifying duties. Think of it this way, when the liver is overwhelmed, toxins can start to exit the body through other channels, like our skin. This can lead to inflammation and irritation, resulting in those unwelcome skin issues. So if your usual skincare routine isn't doing the trick, it might be time to show your liver some love. Something doesn't smell right, literally. Okay, let's talk about something a little less glamorous, but equally important: bad breath and body odor. Now, I know we all have our moments, but if you're noticing a persistent unpleasant odor, even after brushing and showering, it could be a sign that your liver is sending an SOS. When the liver is overloaded and toxins aren't being filtered effectively, they can actually be released through our breath and sweat, resulting in that not-so-fresh feeling. It's your body's way of finding alternative routes for detoxification when the primary route is congested. Brain fog got you down. Ever feel like you're walking around in a haze, struggling to focus, remember things, or just feel mentally sharp? That, my friends, could be your liver talking again. This brain fog can be a direct result of a high toxin load in the body. When the liver is overworked, it can't keep up with filtering out all the toxins, and some of them can actually reach the brain. This can interfere with brain function, leading to difficulty concentrating, memory lapses, and that overall feeling of mental sluggishness. It's like your brain is trying to function in a fogged-up room, not exactly ideal for clear thinking. When to seek help immediately. Now, for the final and most important red flag. If you notice any yellowing of your skin or the whites of your eyes, this is a serious sign and you need to seek medical attention immediately. This yellowing, known as jaundice, can indicate a problem with bile production or flow, which can be a sign of a more serious liver condition. Remember, your health is your wealth, and early detection is key. Never ignore these signs and always err on the side of caution when it comes to your liver health. When can you expect to feel the liver get tired? The liver doesn't get tired suddenly. It's often a gradual process linked to lifestyle and age. However, you might notice signs of liver strain at different stages of life. In your 20s, 30s. If you drink excessive alcohol, eat a poor diet, or live a sedentary lifestyle, you could already be putting stress on your liver, though symptoms may not appear yet. In your 40s, 50s, this is when people are more likely to feel the effects of an overworked liver, especially if they've had years of poor habits. Symptoms like fatigue, bloating, or weight gain may start becoming noticeable. In your 60s and beyond, the risk of liver-related conditions like fatty liver, liver fibrosis, or even cirrhosis increases. At this age, the liver is more sensitive to damage from diet, alcohol, or medications. Does diet impact the liver more than age? Yes, diet plays a huge role, and in many cases it has a greater impact than age alone. A balanced diet with minimal processed foods and sugars can help maintain liver health even as you age. Conversely, a poor diet can strain the liver at any age. Key liver stressors from diet include high sugar and processed carb intake, leading to fatty liver, saturated and trans fats found in fried foods and junk food, overeating or excessive calorie consumption, alcohol, even in small amounts over time. Show your liver some love. Remember, a tired liver can bounce back with the right care. Listen to your body, add these natural remedies to your routine, and focus on a clean, wholesome diet. Now let's talk about how you can help your liver using ingredients right from your kitchen. Here are a few natural remedies. Lemon water. Start your day with a glass of warm water and the juice of half a lemon. It stimulates bile production. which helps your liver break down fats and flush out toxins. Turmeric. This golden spice is a liver's best friend. Add a pinch to warm water, tea, or even soups. Its active compound, curcumin, reduces inflammation and supports detoxification. Dandelion tea. If you have dried dandelion root or leaves, brew them into a tea. It's great for flushing toxins and improving digestion. Garlic. Just 1 or 2 cloves of raw garlic daily can activate liver enzymes and help flush toxins. Add it to your meals or take it raw if you can handle the strong taste. Beetroot juice. Beets are rich in antioxidants and support liver function. Blend fresh beets with a bit of water, lemon, and ginger for a detoxifying drink. Cilantro. This herb helps bind heavy metals and toxins, aiding your liver in removing them. Sprinkle it on salads, soups, or smoothies. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies. Until next time, take care of yourself and your liver.